Hi.
Hi.
What are we doing?
We're making cookies,
What kind of cookies?
chocolate cookies.
Yeah. Is this your recipe?
Yes.
So what's in your recipe?
Raisin and peanut butter, chocolate chips, raisins, vanilla, and eggs,
Okay.
and flour.
Okay, and then what are we gonna do?
Gonna wait until it's ready.
You're gonna roll them up and then what?
Then you're gonna sprinkle some sprinkles on them, and then you're gonna put them back in the oven.
Those look so good.
Mm-hmm.
All right. How long do we need to cook them?
6 minutes.
6 minutes. All right. See you in 6 minutes.